At a time when the BJP is expanding not just politically but also ideologically in the country, its ideological fountainhead, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, considered amongst the largest organizations, cultural organizations in the world, specifically in India, is also opening a new chapter. We are in the new office of the RSS in Delhi, the newly opened office of the RSS, and it's huge. Spread across 4 acres, almost 5 lakh square feet. These three towers represent the new office of the RSS. It has around 300 rooms, and these are rooms for the visiting pracharaks, visiting Swayamsevaks of the organization that is not just growing in its influence but also in its numbers and scale. These towers are called Sadhana, Prerna and Archana. There's also a small hospital that has been made for its people. There's in fact a library with 8,500 books that is also open for people. And if you look at this, RSS workers are telling us that the ethos of this place has not been altered. In fact, the Jhandewala Devi Mandir is still there, the saffron flags you see, and also the Hanuman temple, which existed since a long time, has also been reinstated. In fact, the Delhi office of the RSS came up in 1939, and it was named after Keshav Baliram Hedgewar, the founder of the RSS, somebody who started the organization in 1925 when the freedom struggle was peaking, and he came up with this idea of RSS. And in fact, this place is also called Keshav Kunj. In fact, the RSS has retained its old name. 75,000 people have contributed to building this new office of the RSS. In fact, it has been built to an outlay of 2.5 crore, and it is on the 19th of this month that the first official event of the RSS will be held here, with Mohan Bhagwat, the chief of the RSS, and Dattatreya Hosabole, the general secretary of the RSS, will be greeting and talking, engaging with the Swayamsevaks of the RSS from Delhi. Well, this huge office with minimalistic furniture representing the ethos of the RSS, the austerity of the pracharaks, also symbolizes not just RSS's growing influence in terms of ideology and footprint, but also says how powerful it is becoming in the imagination of people today. But let me show you around what the major elements of this office are.